The history of Dubai. Established in 19th century as a small fishing village, Dubai grew into a regional trading hub from the early 20th century and grew rapidly in late 20th century and early 21st century with the focus on tourism and luxury, having a second most five-star hotels in the world and tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa, which is 828 meters tall. In the eastern Arabian Peninsula on the coast of Persian Gulf, it is also a major global transport hub for passengers and cargo. All revenue helped to accelerate the development of city, which has already a major mercantile hub, a center for regional and international trade since the early 20th century. Dubai economy relies on revenue for trade, tourism, aviation, real estate, financial services, oil production contributes less than 1% of Emirates GDP in 2018. The city population around 3.449 million as 2021. The history of human settlement in area, now defined by Dubai United Arab Emirates, is a rich and complex and points to extensive trading links between the civilization of Indus Valley and Mesopotamia, but also for the office field of Lebanon. Dubai thought to have been established as a fishing village in early 18th century and was by 1822 town of some 700-800 members. The Bani Yas tribe and subject are ruled Sheikh Tanuha bin Shabahat of the Abu Dhabi. In 1822, British naval surveyor noted that Dubai was at that time populated with 1,000 people living in oval-shaped town surrounded by mud, walls settled with goats, camels. The main footpath out of village lead to the Reed Crack, while another trailed off into the desert and merged in cavern routes. In 1901, Maktoum bin Hashir al-Maktoum established Dubai as a free port with no taxation on import and export, and also gave a merchants parcels of land and guarantees of protection and tolerance. Dubai's geographical proximity to Iran made it more important trade location. The town of Dubai was an important port of sale for foreign tradesmen, chiefly for those Iran, many of whom eventually settled in town. In 20th century, it was the most important port at that time. Dubai consists of town Dubai and the near village Jumeirah, collection of some 45 Irish palm leaf. By the 1920s, many Iranis settled in Dubai permanently, moving across for Persian Gulf. By the entity's growth by Dubai known for its pearl export until 1930s, the pearl trade was damaged rapidly by 1929 Great Depression and invasion of cultured pulp. With the collapse of pearling industry, Dubai fell into deep depression and many residents lived in poverty or migrated to other parts of Persian Gulf. The Gulf War in early 1991 had a negative financial effect on the city as a depositor withdraw their money and withdraw their trades, but subsequently the city covered in changing political climate thrived later in 90s. Many foreign trading communities, first from Kuwait during the Gulf War and later from Bahrain during the Shia unrest, moved their business to Dubai. Dubai providing refueling base to allied forces at Jabal al-Free zone during Gulf War and again during 2003 invasion of Iraq. Large increase in oil price after the Gulf encouraged Dubai to continue focus on free trade and tourism. Now Dubai is the tourism and business hub. Dubai is the most visited country in over the Gulf countries. and Dubai President Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum is the most ambitious man into converting a Dubai in modern city. Now the many luxury life are in Dubai. There is a tax-free economy zone in Dubai. Thanks for watching us.